na meron tayong mga kasamahan sa trans community na ang trabaho nila is magbigay ng kasiyahan sa mga AFAM. Pero nakakalungkot kasi may mga post sa social media na yung mga tranela, binabang-bang nila yung mga customers nila. So ito, ang tanong ko, base sa human norms, back when I was in college, isa sa pinakanatandaan kong human norms is, an evil act can never become good even if it has good intention. How do you explain that?
Thank you so much for the very mind-boggling question, Mame. Well, honestly, I don't want to sound cliche in answering that very question, but indeed, an evil act can never ever be good, even though you have a very good intention. Because in reality, we cannot break the reality itself. If you did something bad, it is bad. You do not complicate things just to justify your ego that you would like to do good things to others. It is as simple as, if you do something, make sure that you do it with your good intention. And if your intention is good, don't mix it with bad, because it complicates anything. And yes, you also mentioned about gender norms or societal norms. I do believe that how you actually portray yourself in front of other people actually talks about more about your personality. That's why I really believe that personality development is really a must in this society. Because if you will look, let's say in our children nowadays, because they are still confused, they don't know what they are doing. They are on the process of learning. But personality development is actually indeed helpful with the help of their parents in order for us to hone these children, to guide them. Personality development is not about changing who they are. It's about bringing their best self. It's about installing what is good in their minds. So if you install something bad to these children, then one thing is for sure, they will never ever understand the real meaning of goodness. Because again, this question might sound so easy, but if you are going to dissect the question, it needs more discussion. The intention is or should be pure and should not be complicated with other things. Because let's say, I want to help people. Help them. But don't do something wrong just to help them. Let's say, you want to help them, but you don't have the capability to do so. Then pause and don't help them. Don't do nothing. Because some other things, let's say what you've given an example. These harbateras, they would like to earn money because they would like to show in social media that, hey, it is me, I'm beautiful, I'm rich, I'm good in your eyes. But without you realizing it, how did you get that money in the first place? What is your intention? Did you get that in good way? If no, then I don't think that the society will accept that. So to shorten that answer, do not complicate things and do not mix your intention with other things. If you would like to help other people, help them. And if you don't have capabilities to do so, just stop and mind your own business. Good evening.
Once again, candidate number 10, Miss Casey.